Hello and welcome to another video. And yet another unexpected location. That's what I like about Serbia. You always can find some wildness, untouched nature, just in 30 minutes away from big city. If I was giving Hardcastle, I would say I got 3 hours of sleep and I do have a face. I don't know like what, I should say. Fortunately, I still do have a face. Well, I finally reached the top of the ridge, which I hope leads me to the exact location I'm trying to find. The harsh truth is, mosquitoes do not sleep, even at September. Seems like I finally find it. The main thing I love in hiking is that the reward. When you hike for 3.5 kilometers upstairs and downstairs with no trail, and finally you get in this. And what I do love about any location is the amount of composition possibilities. Fortunately, this is one of those places where it's incredible. A lot of compositions over here, a lot of places, a lot of subjects, a lot of different foregrounds, background is amazing also, even on this harsh light. And so on and so on. But my biggest mistake for today, just imagine, I didn't take any water. I'm not sure if you can see the screen of my camera, but basically I found the composition I was looking for. This is the reason I hike to this place, and let me show you. So, can you see this? Look at this business. This is just amazing, right? Am I right? most important part of photography gear shoes. Appropriate shoes could lead you to amazing locations. Like this. Like this. Such a beautiful forest trail when you go down. And same trail is a pain in the back when you go up. Choose the way. Now I'm going down. I almost can see my car.